shows up with a blowtorch and chewing gum.
Okay, let's try again.
Yes, I saw it.
Oh, nigga, your blood. Dude, my guy looks like the kid from Monster House. The fat kid.
These characters look. Is that Idris Elba? The fuck?
I don't think that's who that is.
It looks like
Looks
him.
like him, but I don't think they're allowed to use his likeness.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Then again, they have the kid from Monster House. So...
Then again.
What are you doing in there?
I will survive this. You, not so sure.
Wait, this game has different flashlights? That's actually pretty sick. They give you different stats?
Yeah.
That's cool.
One of them is the Silent Hill generic flashlight. One of them's a selfie stick? Oh my god.
Was it really? I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, one of them is a phone on a selfie stick.
Huh.
What? White noise? $10. I guess I'll be Idris Elba.
It seriously looks like him and it makes me uncomfortable.
Okay, so we're gonna go to, you know what, I'll just put it on random.
Wait, are we both gonna be playing as characters or is one of us gonna be the monster?
Yeah, we're both gonna be, this is co-op.
Oh. We're gonna fucking
Why,
die.
You want it to be a monster?
No, I was just curious.
It's okay, buddy, let's go.
I don't want to be the. I mean, I don't know what I want. I just don't want to die.
Big boy. Why doing this? Oh,
I think after we're done playing this, I'm gonna go watch Kill la Kill.
I would watch Kill la Kill for Satsuki because she has some really nice eyebrows.
Okay.
Bushy eyebrows are some godlike thing. You know, that's why you ever want to fuck Rock Lee, not because he's mastered in taijutsu, because that nigga got the bushiest brows alive. Nigga's eyebrows will crush you up like a swamp.
Okay.
Don't do that! That will alert the monster to our presence if you scream.
Okay.
But then again, it's used to help us find each other. I mean, I can share play it. Oh wait, this is a map. I think this is a map from White Noise 1. Alright, there you go. Alright. Use the compass. Okay, so there's an item
Somewhere around here.
this way? We have to find tapes. Oh, never mind. It's not 7 coups. It's fucking 8.
Over here.
Don't know what this does.
You have to point our flashlights at it to break it, I guess.
Okay. Okay, a tape is this way.
It says click R3 to use contact chat.
Over here.
Hearing a tape.
Over here!
Over here.
Over here!
Try to stick together.
I found a battery. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Where is the compass pointing towards? I hear it, I think. Do you hear it?
No.
I hear it coming from you.
Over here.
Over here!
Apparently it's over here.
Over here!
But I'm not seeing anything.
Over here.
You don't know. When we die, you'll find out.
Over
I
here.
suppose.
It's like here somewhere. Could it be on the other side of the wall?
Maybe?
No, it's literally right here. Apparently we found a clue.
I mean, the number didn't go down.
For me it did, because it said find 8, now it's find 7.
No, we found, when we destroyed the prism, it went from 8 to 7.
Oh. Well, I don't have time for this, my battery's dying. Let's just get out of here.
Over here.
Over here!
My battery is running extremely low.
Hopefully we can find you a battery.
I think that's one right there, actually. No, that's not a battery, is it? No, it's incense. This will allow you to see the creature's location for some time. Oh, it's all the way over there.
Battery.
Okay, he's over there. Oh, God. Alright, let's just go over here.
This game is giving me the spookums.
Can we open this? Fuck.
Jimmy.
The only map I've ever beaten in White Noise 1 is the fucking Area 51 ass place. Compass is leading me over here.
I thought White Noise was that fucking Japanese game.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. We gotta go around. I gotta get another battery. Oh, there's a battery right here.
Over here.
Oh, pick up that flashbang, bro. You picked it up through the wall. I am amazed.
You're gonna have to take point because my flashlight is too low.
You know, that wolf ambiance noise really not helping.
It's not.
Hey, look, you
Over
don't have
here.
to worry about battery anymore. Whew. Idols tell your position to the creatures. Try to stay away from them. Yo, we gotta get out of here. Follow me. Follow me. We gotta go. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Jordan, we gotta go. Just go. Just go. Oh shit, I can't sprint anymore. Where'd you go?
I don't know, where'd you go?
Oh shit. Can you see me now? I shouted.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I can't see you, but I saw your outline.
Oh fuck.
Okay, I see you. Come back.
Is that an idol? Oh god.
I lost you.
Wait.
Oh god! Where's the fucking exit?
Fuck. Go, 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 go! One throw a light stick. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Jordan, it's not safe to be near me.
Where'd you go? Oh, wait.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. No, no. There's nowhere I can go.
Where'd you go, buddy?
Oh fuck! No! Please! 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 No! No! Look! Look! You can just... You can leave me alone. Please! No! 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 Is he gone?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a battery.
Over here.
Oh fuck. That was an accident. There's a battery here for you too. Oh. Oh.
What?
I lost you for a second. It's not a good game for me to be playing it right now. Oh fuck. No, 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 no! So you get 4 chances? Next. That's just fucking troll.
What?
When you're near death, you start to see flashes of this nigga in front of you.
I don't like that.
Like, he doesn't show... Oh, no. Please, please, please. It's all up to you. Okay, as a ghost, you can banish idols. Don't worry, Jordan. I'm gonna make it harder for this guy to find you.
Thanks, buddy.
That's 1 idol down.
Come back, friend. Buddy.
Oh, you see me?
Yeah.
What are you? Oh, you found a tape. Okay, great. That idol was gone. I don't know what I just did. on me.
No, no, no. God damn it.
Damn. Oh, it shows you.
That's pretty neat.
Damn, this was 15 minutes.
Wow.
Well, that was a good game.
I agree. Alright.
Have fun.